Hello guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, February 21st to 2024. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Boitis Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. If you want to know more about the BPI Sustainable with You program, just click on the link up here. And also Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Let's begin with our update. Well, it's the same. Nothing, no new weather system. It's been Easterlies all the way since last week, and although we have here a development of the beginning of a major front, this is a long line of stationary front from the east of Japan all the way up to southern China. So it's now beginning to develop, and it is likely to reach its peak come May to June 2024. So this is the usual springtime frontal system known as the major front, and it's expected to bring some springtime rainfall across southern China up to Japan, and we are now seeing the first glimpse of this system. All throughout the Philippine Islands, it remains quiet, calm, but there are still some light winds from the east, known as Easterlies, affecting the eastern sections of Mindanao. Some thunderstorms will also be expected in some areas of central and northern Mindanao, as well as over the areas of Davao region. Over the Visayas, we have cloudy skies with some showers expected as well because of the easterly surface wind flow, and also across Romblon, Marinduque, Bicol region, the eastern sections of Calabarzon, including Metro Manila. So we expect this kind of easterly winds. Temperature is now creeping up to around 28 to 29 degrees with heat index of what we feel of about 38. Okay, not yet reaching 40, but later on in the next couple of weeks we will reach the 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, so that's what we are experiencing right now because of the ongoing strong El Nino, but it's expected to weaken considerably during the next couple of months as we move into the hot, dry season. So please conserve water as much dry conditions will be expected, except when we have low pressure systems or tropical cyclones. But so far, it's all clear across the Western Pacific. No threat or any developing LPAs. All of them are found all over the Southern Hemisphere. And if we take a look at this fast animation, nothing to show you here. There's a cloudiness here near the equator. This is part of the near equatorial trough. And for the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, this is beginning 4:48 p.m. until 10 o'clock this evening. It's generally peaceful across the Philippine Islands. There are some thunderstorms that was observed over central and moving into Lanao provinces, central Mindanao and Lanao provinces. So these are quick thunderstorms, but so far so good. Now, if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, today, Wednesday evening, tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, Friday afternoon, we are continuing to have the prevailing easterlies, except for extreme northern Luzon. There's a likelihood of another surge of the northeast monsoon, but this is only concentrated over Taiwan and the northernmost islands of Luzon, that includes Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands, and the coastal waters of Ilocos Norte. And on Friday, the northeast monsoon here will start abruptly to weaken, will start to weaken abruptly, and some northeasterly wind flow will begin to affect the Philippine Islands, but so far it's generally quiet. And if you take a look at the rain forecast, okay, today, tomorrow afternoon, and on Friday, we expect possible thunderstorms and rain showers across Mindanao because of the easterly surface wind flow, while the rest of the country will remain dry, although there will be some showers across the eastern sections of Luzon and Visayas because of this easterly surface wind flow, but it's not expected to reach normal levels when it comes to the amount of rainfall. On Saturday, there's a rogue rain band. On Saturday, there will be a possibility of a rogue rain clouds expected to pass over eastern Visayas and the Bicol region. So there will be a likelihood of some rain showers, okay, during the during Saturday, February 24. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Friday, most of the rainfall are concentrated across the eastern sections of northern Quezon and also over the eastern sections of Mindanao. That includes Caraga and Davao Oriental, eastern Caraga, as well as some portions of Bukidnon and the Davao region area. Okay, so far so good. Now for the wave forecast for the next 3 days, it will be generally light to moderate here across the Philippine Sea, east of the Philippine Islands. So the wave heights will be between 2 to 2.5 meters here for this evening. And by tomorrow afternoon, the wave height will be still the same, 2 to 2.3 meters. And on Friday, it will slightly weaken a bit from 2 to 2.3 meters. Although there's a new surge of the northeast monsoon, but these wave heights of up to 3 meters is only concentrated over the northernmost parts of Luzon. Actually, it's more to the north, near Taiwan. And on Saturday afternoon, we expect the northeast monsoon that will generate some 2 to 3 meter wave heights will move into the northern portions of the West Philippine Sea, while here across the Philippine Sea, east of the Philippine Islands, it will remain light to moderate of up to 2.2 meters. The rest of the inland waters of the Philippine Islands, from Sulu Archipelago, Sibuyan Sea, and Visayan Sea, the wave heights is non-existent, okay? So it's around 0.5 to 1 meter, as well as the rest of the West Philippine Sea, and it's very good for to go out shipping, and it's very good to go out fishing, and as well as sea travel. Okay. Now, before we leave you, here's now the latest global tropics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're in the third week. Highly uncertain. Okay. Now let's take a look at the week 2, valid February 28 until March 5. The Philippine Islands, particularly Bicol down to Mindanao, Mimaropa, okay, as well as the Visayas, will have more than 50% of below average rainfall, while you can clearly see here along the southern Indian Ocean, the South Pacific, along the coastal or northern territory area of Australia, we expect the possibility of a tropical cyclone formation since it is their season. But this forecast is around 50 to 65%. While on the third week, March 6 to March 12, the Philippine Islands will remain around 50 or to more than 65% of below average rainfall. So it's gonna be dry for the next 2 weeks. Okay, and remember, the third week is still highly uncertain with below 35% low probability. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday evening, and we will return in the next couple of days. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.